In today's video, I'll show you how to restore recently deleted photos on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. This video will be for the Google Photos app, but the method should be similar if you use another Photos app, such as the Gallery app on Samsung, and I'll mention how to do it on there too. Open the Photos app first and then tap on Collections at the bottom. Now choose Bin or Trash, which should be towards the top of the page. You can also use the search option to search for bin or trash to get here too. Within here, find the photo you want to restore and tap on it. Then choose the restore button and it will now appear back in your gallery. If you use the Samsung Gallery app, tap on the menu icon, which might be in the top or bottom right corner, then choose recycle bin or trash. Nearly all photo apps should have a bin or trash to restore photos from. That's how to restore recently deleted photos on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.